We're here at the City Magazine party, or Party of the Year in the city of El Paso. We have been nominated for Center Real Estate as best real estate office in the city, and we have won the award. They're going to be presenting that to us tonight, so we're here having a good time. A few of the agents at the office are here with us, so join us for this award. And I want to thank everybody who, first of all, for being nominated, all our friends who supported us, our family who voted for us, and all our clients as well that trust us and voted us to get this award.
So yeah, let's start off the night.
They are also sponsors.
Okay, up next is Best Realtor and Real Estate Company, Center Real Estate.
Let's give it up for all the winners tonight. Let's hear a big round of applause.
Here we are at the end of the night. We have our award from the City Magazine, the Best of the City 2022. Again, I want to thank all our friends, family who helped us and voted for us to be here, our clients most importantly, and the entire city, and all of those who are here tonight enjoying this beautiful night and having a blast.
What a wonderful way to start off the year, and we hope to be here again next year. Best in the City 2023.
And of course, everybody at Center Real Estate, it was a team effort to get here and to be able to provide service to our clients and help the company grow.
Hey guys, just to let y'all know, Best in the City, Center Real Estate. We just want to thank all of our clients who became family for accomplishing this. We wouldn't be able to do it without you.
Buenas noches, muchas gracias a todos los que nos apoyaron para este gran triunfo. Sin ustedes no hubiéramos podido hacer esto. Gracias familia y amigos y toda la gente que nos apoya.
Hola, un gustazo, buenas noches. Gracias a todos, gracias por apoyarnos a la mejor, ¿qué te digo? La mejor casa de bienes y raíces, Center Real Estate. Gracias una vez más por todo su apoyo. Adriana Montenegro, su agente.
Muchas felicidades a Center Real Estate. Todos estamos muy orgullosos de ustedes. Felicidades.
Hello, we're very happy for Center and for being best real estate at the city 2022. Congratulations, guys. Hard work pays off, and a huge congratulations from the Millennial Homes team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rosemary and this is Carlos, and I'm so happy to be part of Center Real Estate. Thank you all of you who voted for us, and yay!
Congratulations.
We just want to congratulate Luis Carlos and his brokerage for being the best in 2022, and we wish them the best of luck for 2023 and the years to grow.
Center Realty, best of 2022.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Everybody.